The Supreme Court last week observed that Section 124A of the IPC, offence of sedition, had been enormously misused. The Supreme Court asked the centre why it wasn't repealing the provision used by British to silence people like Mahatma Gandhi to suppress the freedom movement. According to the Union Home Ministry data, a total of 326 cases were registered under the sedition law between 2014 and 2019, with the highest 54 cases in Assam. Out of these cases, charge sheets were filled in 141 cases, while just 6 people were convicted for the offence during the period. The sedition law, which is enshrined in Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code, was introduced by the British government in 1870 to tackle dissent against colonial rule. The sedition law has been challenged several times over the last few years, but it has managed to survive all of the challenges against it. According to a blog published by the Library of Congress, the first known instance of the application of the law was the trial of newspaper editor Jogendra Chandra Bose in 1891. Other prominent examples of the application of the law include the trials of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Mahatma Gandhi. Apart from this, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abul Kalam Azad and Vinayak Damodar Savarkar were also charged with sedition. In 1922, Mahatma Gandhi was arrested on charges of sedition in Bombay for taking part in protests against the colonial government. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison but was released after 2 years because of medical reasons. Before Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak faced 3 trials in cases related to sedition and was imprisoned twice. He was charged with sedition in 1897 for writing an article in his weekly publication called Kesari and was sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. He was tried again in 1908 and was represented by M.A. Jinnah, but his application for bail was rejected and he was sentenced to 6 years. Over the years, various people have been booked under the provision of the IPC, including author Arundhati Roy for her controversial remarks on Kashmir, Hardik Patel, and more recently, climate activist Disha Ravi, Kanhaiya Kumar, Umar Khalid, journalists Vinod Duha and Siddique Kappan, among others.